Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Morbid Metal game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then you can again relaunch the Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC once. Don't ignore this step, just restart your PC and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to update your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. Just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Morbid Metal game and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Morbid Metal exe file and try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4 from the drop down, select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, and then also check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, then click on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folders. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Morbid Metal game folder, select this Morbid Metal exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app, then click on browse and again browse to the same game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Morbid Metal game folder. Here select this Morbid Metal exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved and if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11, -D3D11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Morbid Metal game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -D3D11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12. Close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Morbid Metal game folder, select Morbid Metal exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix it is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. And if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once again, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Morbid Metal game, select properties. In the general tab, you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. If you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it. Just set it to default. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC. Unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the updates, just restart your PC once again. So don't forget to restart your PC again. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to simply uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Morbid Metal game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Morbid Metal game not launching, won't launch or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.